So in my previous video, in this video, I explained the sharding concept in GitHub Actions. Okay, so in sharding, we split our tests across multiple runners. Okay, so here runner means cloud machines to reduce the execution time. Okay, so in this video, we will integrate Allure report and generate report as artifacts. Okay, so we will do that. So before that, let us understand what are artifacts. And before that, so far we are not explicitly saving our test results. Correct? You must have noticed we are not explicitly saving our test results. Once the GitHub actions is completed, we only have the console logs. Correct? So we don't have any option to see the test reports or download them. Okay, so to solve this problem, we have artifacts. Okay, so think of artifacts like files or folders that GitHub Actions store after the CI job finishes. Okay, so they are like files or folders this GitHub Action stores after the CI job finishes, and usually the artifacts contains test reports, screenshots, videos, and HTML reports. Okay. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll use the same ML file I used for the sharding concept. Okay, so and I'll make some changes and I'll show you how to incorporate this Allure report. Okay, so this is the YAML file. So the changes I've made is, I'll show you till here it is, so here we are splitting the shardings. Okay, I'm creating four jobs. Okay, it means I'm dividing my test cases into four shards and each will execute some number of test cases. Okay, so here what I'm saying is, here this report, here I'm saying this file or this type will save the Allure test results. Okay, so this step will save the Allure test results per shard. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so before getting the final report per shard, you mean per shard I'm saying. Okay, so here I'm saying 4 means per shard it will save the Allure report. Okay, so here I'm saying matrix dot shard, it will send and it will um, save the artifacts. Okay, in this path, Allure results path. Okay, so another important point I want to clarify here. So before we integrate this in our local machine also, we need to have Allure report. Okay, so if you're not having, I'll just open this. Okay, you need to, where is that? Yeah, you need to execute this command. Okay, so I'll just leave this command in the description. If you're not having this, if you have not installed the Allure report, you can just execute this command. It will install the Allure report in your local machine. Okay, so this is one of the prerequisite. And in config file, here playwright.config.ts, you need to have this earlier reporter.html was there, so you need to have this line. Okay, reporter colon Allure playwright. Okay, this one I'll just leave this also in the comment section, you can use this. Okay, and delete I reporter dot colon. Okay, okay, so these two are prerequisites. Okay, so now, so what I'll do, I just made some changes to this final page spec so I can to the same, where is that? Okay, I'll just open this. So to the same branch I'll push these changes. Okay, I don't want to create a branch, so yesterday I've created this playwright sharding demo. So to the same branch I'll push the changes. Okay, so the commands are this. Okay, so first I'll stage, I will commit, and I'll push to the same branch. Okay, I'll just execute all at once. So when this GitHub Actions execute our test is when we create a PR. Okay, so I've already created a PR for this branch. Okay, so now let us go to GitHub. I'll refresh the page. Okay, so now it is running. I'll directly go to actions. Okay, so now here it is executing our tests. Okay, so it will take around 2 minutes. Okay, so here I have already executed this. Okay, so before that, I'll just click on it and I'll show you this. Okay, so here there are four shards. So here I'll click on that. It executed test cases, and here it uploaded to Allure report. Allure results. Okay, so it uploaded the results artifacts to this path. Okay, so here you can see this, and per this one shard also you can see the report. If you just click on this, it will give the report. Okay, so and finally we will get the merged Allure report. Okay, so this is the merged Allure report. So merged Allure report is, this is the final report. Okay, so this report has only the result of this particular shard. Okay, this particular shard. So whatever the test cases it executed, so it executed 37 test cases. It will have the information of only this shard. This is the final Allure report. Okay, so this has the result of all four shards. Okay. Okay, so if you want to download the um, report, so what you have to do is you just come to Actions tab. It is still executing. I'll click on this. Okay, so click on the last job run and I'll scroll down. Here we have artifacts. Okay, so here we have artifacts and I'll download the last one. Okay, so if you want the first, second, third or fourth shard report, you can just download this. So I'll download this final one. Okay, just click on this download button. So it will download the zip file. Okay, I'll leave this YAML file. Okay, you can use the same one, and also I'll explain you. It's downloading. So I'll go to my download folder. I've already downloaded this. Go to downloads. Okay, this is downloads. Okay, so this one I've already downloaded, and we have to, so okay, this is the final one. I'll just extract this. Okay, so after extracting, so you have to double click on this report. Okay, so here this is the final Allure report. Okay, double click on it. So this is what it will show. Okay, so it is saying loading, but it will not load anything. Okay, for that we need to do something. Okay, so if it directly loads, it is fine, but for me it didn't load, so I had a workaround. So if you're feeling this, if you're getting the same result as me, so what you need to do, you just click on this address bar. Okay, so click on this address bar and type cmd. Okay, okay, so it will open there and you have to execute this command npx serve. Press enter. So it will give the local machine, and if you open that, it will give the Allure report. Okay, so this is the one. Just copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so here it gives the Allure report. Okay, so far we have executed. So in my suite, I have 150 test cases and it executed. So these are all the test cases it executed. Okay, so this is the final Allure report we generated, and this report we got from GitHub Actions. Okay, so this is not from our local machine. Okay, so here we can see the categories. Here, we don't have much timeline. This is also confusing, but if we click on overview, we'll get the overall picture of the report. Okay, okay, so we'll go back to this. YAML file. Okay, so okay, so as I've explained, this is to save the artifacts of every shard report. Okay, every shard result. Okay, and this one, this is saying merge Allure report. So this one, so this job, so this particular, okay, so this Allure report job is to create one final Allure report. Okay, so this job is to create one final Allure report. Okay. And needs playwright test. Okay, so needs playwright test means in order to generate this final Allure report, so GitHub Actions has to complete the execution of the every shard. Okay, then if always, so if always means even if any test cases fails in this report, in the sense in this shard, it is we are saying generate the final report. Okay, so if any test cases fail in any of the shard, it will, if always means it will always generate the report. Okay, so here then run on Ubuntu latest means, so here it will run on the fresh Ubuntu machine. Okay, then checkout code. So checkout code is, so here in our repository we have the code. Okay, I'll go back. Let's scroll up. So here in our repository, I have the code and I want this code to be in GitHub Actions. Okay, so when my code is in GitHub Actions, I can see the configuration file. Okay, so I'm saying there is some failure. We'll see what it is. Okay, so I'm saying here in checkout code. So it pulls all the our repository code to the GitHub Actions. Okay, then here also we are installing Node. Okay, so here we are installing Node because you know that Allure and Playwright tools depends on the Node to run. Correct? Node.js, you have been installing this. Then install Allure report. This one command. Okay, so whatever we install in our local machine, we have to install in GitHub Actions also. Like here we have installed Playwright. Correct? Where is that? So we installed Playwright. So here we installed Playwright. So we have to install, if you want report, we have to install report also on GitHub Actions. Okay. Okay, then we are downloading the results here, all the artifacts. Once the report is before the report generate, we download the artifacts and we will merge it. We will merge all the reports and we will generate the final Allure report, and it will be ready to download. So in this step, it will be ready to download. Okay, so this is how we generate or integrate Allure report to Playwright, sorry, in GitHub Actions. Okay, okay, so we'll go here and see what it is failing. So here it is saying in Playwright this fourth shard is failing. Okay, but okay, so we'll scroll down. Okay, so this is some page validation failed. Okay, so somewhere one of the test case is failed, but you can see that still final our final report is ready. Okay, so here since we said that if always, so even though one of the test is failed, it generated the final Allure report. Okay, so if you click on that final job, I'll click on this. So it will give us artifacts. We can download that, the final artifact.